And if you have a Nutribullet that's broken like I do, it's time to replace this wheel. As you can see right here, this wheel cracked. This drive for the bottom of your mixer, this thing cracked, and so that's where this 2-pack is going to come in handy. So you got 2 new pieces like this, the drive wheel, and then you also get 2 of the rubberized ones that will go on the bottom of your mixer lids or whatever you want to call them. But so I don't really need those yet, but I'll have those to replace. So as you can see, this pulled right off of here. That I guess what would you call that? The one with the spines on it, that has to be unscrewed. So we need to stop the drive shaft from turning, unscrew that, and then we'll be able to take one of these new ones and put it on, screw it back on. But these are super heavy duty, very well made. They're clear just like the old one was, but very solid. You can put one of these rubber things in here. You can see how solid, how great of a fit they're going to be. But the 2-pack, or actually the 4-pack for these Nutribullets, are going to work great. The replacement parts going to work great. Highly recommend. Definitely pick one of these up. Oh, and here's an extra tip. To get this new one on, just take off the bottom cover, and you can put a flathead screwdriver right there and twist this off, because this will stop the shaft once you put that screwdriver in there, and you'll be able to screw on the new one just like that.